Good morning, class 3. Today we are going to do English Marigold Unit 9. Don't tell. Are there some things that the grown-ups don't let you do? Read about what this child feels. Puitling ten til inti ephallo anei chinem. He no pangina ang idan hi hanchiar chinteu o. Don't tell. Soisu dinani. There are lots of things they won't let me do. Til tam tak min ti tir lo auma. I'm not big enough yet, they say. Kalalian tok lo anti a. So I patiently wait till I'm all grown up. Chuan do thei takin ka nga ka kapuitlin hun tur chu. And I'll show them all one day. Chuti chuan kala hmu vekang engtiknia emo chuan. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. Tuna po ka hmu thei hun min pe ani chuan. There are things I could do if I tried. Tilti thei ka nei ve katum ani chuan. But nobody knows ma se tu man an shilo. No, nobody knows that I'm really a giant inside. Nilau tu manan shilo. Milian tak kanit kachung rila. Di hi. Composed by Irene Yates. New words. Enough. Talk. Chance. Huncha. Chanvo. Giant. Lian. Milian. Patient. Do thei. Do thei na. Now we will go to the next page, page number 91. Reading is fun. Let's do the exercises. Number 1. How old is the speaker? Til soi tu poema til soi zel tu kha engtianga upange atia. Puitlinge ni no pang. Mo. The speaker is a young boy. Til soi tu kha mi pano pang te ani. Question number 2. Who are they and them in the poem? Kha poema anma ni asoi chin te kha de le dem te chu anma ni ti na nia khang anma ni ti asoi fo te kha tu te nge anni. In the poem, they and them refers to the parents of the child and other grown-up people. Poema no pangin de le dem asoi zia khanin no pangnu le pa te le puitling dang te ako kani. Question number 3. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? Til soi tu ina asoi tu ina thuruk mo athup tlat khai nge ni atia. The speaker is hiding that he is actually a giant from inside. Thu soi tu hian he poema til soi zel tu hianin ama chu achung rela chuan milian tak ani rureng ani ti kha athup tlatani ti na ani. Now let us go to the next question. Talk time. Hey chu soi ringak turania talk time chu. Chuanin I lozia thla ka ngai don lova ma se karon soi fia thawang a answer te hi in no ta emo lozia ngai lo. Shia thiam na turin karon explain ringo tang o. Question number 1. Think of 3 things that they won't let you do. Til pathum anti tir phalmia lo tur che han ngai to te tiani ta hianin nang mani in ngai danin innu le paten enge ti tir an phal lo chu nang mani tokin ti kha in lo in ngai to ave don ani chu in lo soi hawang chuan helaya hian en tir na karon da a point thum mo. They won't allow me to use electrical appliance. Electrical thil karen lampanga tanga thil ti na ang chi shim kha kanu le ka pa te khanin ka man an phal lo ani ti khani mo in lo in ti kante electric in man jeu te kha lo om ta ni. Next chuanin they won't allow me to go shopping in the market alone. Bazar puya keima a ka bazar thil ka le min phallo keima ka kalan phallo an ti khani tani hi inu le pa te punan phallo karinga chuan adot lia chuan they won't allow me to drive a car or ride a scooter car ka khal emo scooter ka khal emo an phallo tiani no pangte chu nu le pa ten lir thei an khal tir ngai lova motor te tiro tuna kalo da hi entir na nia heteng ang hianin innu le pa ten in ina khan enge in tian phallo tak tak kha an phallo tak tak mani ina in nu na in ton kha in lo soi ho nga in lo ngai to chuak ve don nia o question number 2 a chuan what are the things you'd like to do when you were grown up that you can't do now ipuitlin huna chuan enge iti chak tu na iti theilo puitling chawina an ti thei mo I lo len hunai lo ti chak kha answer a John Hine entir na kalo dalia I would like to drive a car handle electronic devices go on solo trips go to shopping alone etc when I grow up mo kalo len huna chuanin car te ka khalanga khol thil electronic device rang te khoi thia manga mani ten ka zinanga bazara te ke main ka bazaranga emo adang tangte keima in room ka neyenga ti te katyang chi sang ang te kha lo len huna chuanin katyang ang kha in lo du thu sam kha nang mani in lo ziak don ni hei po mo mani ya ti turania themi karon da hi chu in lo ti thiam theinan in sha thiam theinan soifia na mai mai ani o next ta chuanin word building kan lo nia using the letters of the given word make 3 words one is done for you atiani chuan hemi mang hianin achunga blackboard mother vegetable thousand helicopter ti hi aronda word dang hemi word omsa tang hian kan siam bel don ani blackboard a chuanin black ti te board ti te bag ti te ron oma mother tang chuanin enge lo om viang kan lo ti le chinang o mother ti thumal in rem kho ma tang hian thumal dang kan siam chuak dona MOTHER mang tang ka hian ama sabera chuan OTHER in other adang ti na om zia chumi chu kan siam theya MOTH moth lungphur ti na nia hei hi khami a word mang tho khan MOTH moth kan siama chuan HER har po kan la siam le theya vegetables vegetable a chuanin GET get kan siam theya TABLE table kan siam theya ABLE able mo thei ti na ni able chu table chu do kan ti na ni ya get to la nei dong ti nang de po ni theya thousand ti word atang hianin alphabet sang oma heng alphabet sang mang hianin word shan kan siam le donani ama sabera chuanin thou 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 you nang ti na mimal nang ti na kha alo soyam theya chuan adot lia kan siam le thei chu SAND sand vut vai vut balu soina kha SAND sand word kha kan siam le a and the end word le ti na kha kan siam thei bokani helicopter word atang chuanin athumal sang te kan tender lenga word kan siam le donani HE mi pa soina ni a COP cop police sipai soina ni a police soina mo chuan PET pet ranvul soina alo ni le ta ni chuanin heta hianin a word hi alphabet sang in zum khomina asiam ania heta word siam na alphabet an man sang blackboard ti ate mother ti te vegetable ti te thousand ti te helicopter ti te tang hianin word thar kan siam chuak ti na ni chu word thar ti khan word omsa asiam chua thei kha kan ziak non le ti na ni chu next question look at these words in the poem don't I'm I'll here are their full forms helaya poema athuron mante don't ti te I'm ti te I'll ti te hi lo en ila a hnuaiah hianin an lam puma oma don't ti chu do not ti na ni a I'm chu I am ti na ni a I'll chu I will ti na ani adota hianin ti tur min ron pe a now write the full forms of the following words aron ditani adota hianin heng thu te hi a full form in ron ziak ro atia can't ti chu cannot alo ni to anga it's ti chu it is alo ni anga isn't ti chu is not alo ni anga what's ti chu what is ti na ni nga that's ti chu that is ti na in kan lo siam to don ani next question a chuanin make sentences using the following atia anwaya mi te manghianin thu ron pharo atia his she's your we are ti te ania heng manghianin thu kan lo pha don ani his ti chu he's my class teacher kan ti theyanga she's ti a chuanin she's going to school ati theya your ti chu you're going to play with me in the garden ati theya we are ti chu we are planning to go for a picnic this weekend atiang chuanin he is my class teacher she is going to school you are going to play with me in the garden we are planning to go for a picnic this weekend ti te kha alam toy lova soyania mase heta chuan alam toyin sentence hi kan lo siam vek ani next question alo omle a next question a chuan now write about two things you'll do when you grow up tuna chuan thil chini ilen huna iti tur hanziak te atia ta hian nangma nin inlen huna enge in ti chak in lo zia kang helaya answer karon da hi answer tak tak ni lovin en tirna ania nangma ninan in chak kha in lo zia kang o chuan when I grow up I'd love to travel and explore beautiful places alone kalolen huna chuan in zinte mun moi tak tak lo chhuate keima han kalvelte ka cha kani atiani when I grow up I'll drive a car on my own kalo puitlin na chuanin keima in car te ka khalanga ti te kha ania maseng in heng hi in lo puitlin huna in cha kalo ni lo theya in lo puitlin huna chuan when I grow up I'd love to become a doctor emo when I grow up I'd love to visit my hometown ti ang rengte khatiang ang kher lo po chi sang sang kha a om ta ni in lo phwa venga nang mani in mo lo ti ve turani next ta chuan in team time aron oma team time chu kan tilawanga say aloud a hen hnuai a hianin kan chukanga kan tiang giant jam gym june ti te nia kha heng howi g te j te g te j te in in tana ma seng aron ri dan chu j ang vekin an ri ani adot lia chuan goose gray gold gum ania heng howi chu g angin an ron ri ani chuan an hnuai a hian ti tur min lo pia choose and tick the words with a j sound atiani a hnuaya word ron in zia ka hianin j angari kha tik turani January goose jam jam jacket giraffe grow July giant grapes gray June heng ho zong zong hi kan lo neya chuti chuanin henga te hian a a chuan January goose jam jam tia te chuanin j angari te chu January te jam ti te jam te kha j angin aron ria khang ho zong kha kan tikang b a chuan jacket giraffe grow July ania jacket ti te giraffe ti te July te kha j angari kha an lo nia khang ho zong kha tik le bok tur answer an lo ni le a c a chuan giant grapes gray June alo oma j angari chu giant le June te kha an nia khang te kha kan lo tik le ang heng hi in textbook a in lo ti ve vek do nia o exam huna ta na poimo to turani awangin lo ti nge nge turani